Hello, you're watching ERi-TV and welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the top stories. Minister of Health, Gashwaka region conducts assessment meeting of branch. EPLF Vision Room Household Group contributed about 6 million NACFA to war disabled veterans. The global COVID-19 cases exceed 421 million. And rescue operations underway in Brazil following heavy downpours. The local news. At an activity assessment meeting, the Minister of Health branch in the Gashbaka region, Ms. Amina Nur Hussein, the Minister of Health, called for introducing health service provision system compatible with the Sustainable Development Goals. Commending the activity implemented in the region to ensure the health of the public, Minister Amina said the Minister of Health is working to introduce health service provision system in agreement with the objective regional and global developments. According to the report presented by Dr. Hayalom Kidane, Director of the Ministry of Health in the region, 20 hospitals and health centers have been equipped with modern medical facilities. Solar energy system has been introduced in 49 health facilities, and 2 health stations have been constructed in the subzones of Shambuko and Kerkebet. Dr. Hayalom also said that in 2021, strong effort has been conducted to raise the awareness of the public on health issues, and especially that of harmful practices, as well as community-based environmental sanitation programs with a view to control the prevalence of communicable diseases. At the meeting, reports were presented focusing on the activities conducted in ensuring the health of mothers and children, control of communicable diseases, controlling STDs, and the prevalence of malaria and TB, as well as other activities related to health service provision. Speaking at the occasion, Ambassador Mahmoud Ali Haroui, governor of the region, expressed readiness of the regional administration to stand alongside the ministry in all its efforts to ensure the health of the public. Eritrean nationals residing in various countries organized as EPLF Vision Room Paltalk Group contributed about 6 million NACFA in support of the National Association of the Eritrean War Disabled Veterans. At the handing over event conducted yesterday, Mr. Gabrabrhan Iyasu, chairman of the association, said the support attests to the strong attachment the Eritrean people inside the country and abroad have with their country and people, as well as the respect and honor to the martyrs and war disabled veterans. Expressing satisfaction for being able to support the War Disabled Veterans Association, Ms. Almaz Devasai and Mr. Yosef Leiner, representatives of the Paltalk Group from Germany and Sweden, respectively, said that supporting families of martyrs and war disabled veterans is the responsibility of every citizen, and called for reinforced participation and contribution in the effort. The EPLF Vision Room Paltalk Group, comprising nationals residing in America, Europe, the Middle East, and Africa, has been extending similar support through the Ministry of Labor and Social Welfare to families of martyrs, the National Association of Eritrean War Disabled Veterans, as well as other needed citizens. Two patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 in tests carried out today at testing stations in Asmara Center region. On the other hand, 6 patients who have been receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the Central region have fully recovered and have been discharged from these facilities. The total number of recovered patients has accordingly increased to 9,550, while the number of deaths stands at 103. And the total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 9,683. Minister of Health, Asmara, February 18, 2022. Now back with international news after a short break. Welcome back. The global COVID-19 cases has exceeded 421 million, with the death toll surpassing 5.8 million as of today. This is according to World Meters. The United States has continued to lead the world in both confirmed COVID-19 cases and related fatalities, with over one-fifth of its population falling victim to the virus. Britain reported more than 47,000 new COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, bringing the country's total confirmed cases to more than 18.5 million. Italy recorded more than 53,000 new infections in the past 24 hours, bringing the total number to 12.3 million, while the death toll exceeded 152,000. Russia confirmed more than 180,000 new COVID-19 cases in the past 24 hours, taking the total number to 15 million. This is according to further reports. Rescue operations are in progress in the Brazilian city of Petrópolis, which suffered serious landslides and floods caused by heavy downpours in the past few days. Heavy rain in the mountains city, located about 68 kilometers north of the city of Rio de Janeiro, triggered more than 50 landslides, burst the banks of rivers, and flooded roads. In 6 hours, Petrópolis received more than rainfall expected for the entire of this month, which prompted the mayor's office to decree a state of public disaster. The death toll rose to 104, including 13 children yesterday. This is according to local authorities. There are still people trapped in the mountain who lost contact with the outside world. A marine tracking map showed a ferry changing its trajectory today after a fire broke out with 288 people on board. The Greek Coast Guard said 237 passengers and 51 crew members were on board the Italian-flagged Ferry Olympium. Most of them had boarded rescue vessels. There were no immediate reports of deaths or injuries. The evacuated passengers and crew were taken to the port of Corfu. The fire on the coast of which was not immediately known broke out near the island of Corfu in the Ionian city. This is according to local authorities. The Italian-flagged ferry had sailed from Ugomessia, the largest port of western Greece, and was headed to the Italian port of Brindisi, about 9 hours away. For weeks, firefighters and the residents of Carencia, located in southern Argentina, have been battling a blaze that has destroyed over 500,000 hectares. On Wednesday, the government of Carencia reported 15 active outbreaks. Local TV images show people trying to help herds of horses and cows flee the fire as the flames destroy the vegetation. Carencia produces farmed lands including citrus fruits, rice, tobacco, cotton, livestock, and forestry. Argentina is in the midst of a second consecutive La Nina weather event that typically brings less rainfall to its central agricultural regions. And now a reminder of the top stories. Minister of Health's Gashbeka region conducts a summit meeting of the branch. EPLF Higdef Region Room Panto Group contributed about 6 million NACFA to war displaced veterans. The global COVID-19 case exceeds 421 million. And rescue operations underway in Brazil following heavy downpours. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.